Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to put song on the Instagram notes. So if you want to add the songs on your Instagram notes, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will do it, you will see this type of the page. Then you have to click on this update button. Once you will do it, after that go back and you have to tap a while on the Instagram, click on the info button, and after that you have to click on the storage and the cache, and you have to click on the clear cache from here. Once you will do it, after that you have to open your Instagram, click on this messenger, and you have to click on the notes plus icon. So once you will do it, you will be able to add the music. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.